right, here's Dave here again with the box opening of the new demo unit of the Archon 370 millimeter GPS drone. This guy is 5.8 gigahertz, transmits back to you. 1080 video, 12 megapixel fixed, has a low battery telemetry, auto hold, and auto land. Let's pop the box open and see what's in it. All right, comes with the always important instructions. A USB cable, charge cable, I'm assuming. Plastic top, ooh, it's cool green in color. 1080 camera mounted below, shock mounted. Regular brushed motors, not brushless motors. Prop guards. The Tactic 5.8 video receiver, so your camera is sitting back to that. The extra propellers. The holder for the 5.8 receiver to go on the, can't get it out, there we go, on the controller. Pretty simple controller. Actually, I've used one of these, they're really nice. AC adapter, battery charger, screwdriver, parts and pieces to hold the blade guards on, and 4 AA batteries for the controller. Looks good. Oh, and the battery they mount comes mounted in it. It's a 3-cell 2200, that's not a 3-cell, it's only a 2-cell 2200 milliamp LiPo battery. Looks good. Can't wait to get it out and try it.
Available today at your local hobby habit.